Okay, dear students, welcome to all of you. Today we are going to start the last unit, that is the image segmentation and representation. Now, what is the image segmentation? Till now, we have discussed in our digital image processing, there are our intention was to improve the quality of the image for as far as visualization is concerned. For example, to sharpen the image, to enhance the image, to reduce the noise component in an image, that was our task. In all these different techniques, input was an original image and the output was a processed image. But our aim was that the processing technique should be such that the output image is better visually than the input image. In image segmentation, we are going to talk about another domain of image processing, which is called the segmentation, image analysis. So here our aim is to extract some information from the image so that those information cannot be used for high level image understanding operation. Topics of discussion: here we will discuss about the what is segmentation, different approaches for the image segmentation like the discontinuity based, region based, different edge detectors, linking of the edge points, local processing, global processing, that is also called the Huff transfer. Now first come to the, we see that what is the image segmentation. We will talk about different approaches of image segmentation also. So we can say the image segmentation is the process of subdividing an image into the constituent part or object in the image. किसी इमेज को छोटे pieces में break करना, that is called the segmentation of the image. Here the image is segmented image. The main purpose of subdividing an image into its constituent part or topic present in the image is that to further analyze each of these constituents or each of the object present in the image once they are identified. तो मेन टारगेट हमारा है कि इसमें से जो भी एनालाइज करना, एक एक पार्ट के स्पेशल फीचर्स को एनालाइज करना. Now the subdivision or the level of subdivision. What the question arises? What should be the level of subdivision? हम subdivision कैसे find out करेंगे कि हमारा subdivision का level क्या हो? Then suppose we take the example, if the we are interested in detecting the movement of the vehicle on a road. So on a busy road, we want to find out what is the movement or pattern of the different vehicles, and the image that is given, that is an aerial image taken either from a satellite or from a helicopter. Because if we want to study in a city, that is not possible to take the photograph of all the city. We take the aerial image. And then we monitored, we see that in this image that is subdivided and there are several things are also available. तो यहाँ पर हम एक बार रोड्स को जो हमने किया है उनको अगर आइडेंटिफाइड कर लें, then we further analysis, we try to find out the road, and once we have identified the vehicles, then we can go for the vehicle motion analysis on the road. Although there will be several things like the residential buildings, water bodies, and other things in that image, but we are not interested in them. But we are only interested on the roads. We are also not interested in the subdivision of the vehicle. It's in this manner, application to application, we can decide that up to what level we go for the segmentation. So we can say image segmentation is a very difficult, but it is a very important task, and every machine vision application software or system should have a very robust image segmentation algorithm. Now we can divide the image segmentation approach in the two types. First is the discontinuity based images, second is the similarity based images. So we see that in the discontinuity based approach, the partition or subdivision of an image is carried out based on some abrupt changes in intensity level in an image or abrupt changes in the gray level of the image. में जो चेंज अचानक होता है उसको हम ऑब्जर्व करते हैं. So on the discontinuity based approach, our major interest, we are mainly interested in identification of isolated point or identification of line present in the image or identification of the edges. Similarity based approach, similarity based approach, we it is slightly different. Here we try to group those pixels in an image which are similar in some sense. उन पिक्सेल्स को ग्रुप करने की कोशिश करते हैं जो कि एक पर्टिकुलर सेम नेचर के होते हैं. तो फर्स्ट वी टेक द थ्री सोल्डिंग ऑपरेशन, like the thresholding operation. So the simplest approach under this similarity based technique is what is called the thresholding operation. That is the basic approach. By thresholding, what we mean is, as we have already said, that if we have the image where every pixel is coded with 8 bit, यहाँ पर हमने हर पिक्सल को 8 बिट से कोड कर दिया, then there can be the maximum 255 0 to 255 intensity levels, varying intensity levels, and we can decide a threshold on the some criteria that will have a, say, 128 is the threshold value. So we decide that all the pixels having an intensity value greater than 128 will belong to some region, whereas of all the pixels having intensity value less than 128 will belong to some other region. So on the basis of pixel intensity, we divide the image. Now the region growing approach, here we divide the image in the pixels. Then we take a pixel and observe its adjacent nearby pixel, and how if they are similar with that pixel, then these are merged. That is called the second method, region growing approach. So in this approach, we start from a pixel and all other pixels which are adjacent to the particular pixel are sensed. So starting from this particular pixel, we try to grow the region based on connectivity or based on adjacent and similarity. So this is what is the region growing based approach. Now come to the religion based splitting and merging approach. In the region based, splitting and merging, in this method, in this technique, region splitting and merging, first split the main image into a number of different components following some criteria, and after that split the image into a number of smaller size sub images हमने एक इमेज को डिवाइड किया, फिर उसके बाद हम उसकी इमेज के और भी सब पार्ट जो हो गए उनकी भी सब पार्ट हम करते हैं. Then we merge the then try to merge some of those sub images which are adjacent and which are similar in some sense. उसके बाद हम कुछ सब इमेजेस को मर्ज कर देते हैं. So the first operation is split the image into smaller images and then try to merge those smaller sub images wherever possible to have a larger segment. So in this manner, we have seen that what are the different approaches of image segmentation. These are the discontinuity based approach we have seen, and we have also seen the similarity based approach. Thank you.